Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of GBP USD, and if you have watched my previous video on GBP USD, then you know these levels very well because I have talked about these levels, that we have these two as support for the market and 1.13550 as standing at the top as resistance in the market. And right now you can see that market is just standing at resistance. But there are certain things that you must understand before taking the order. So let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about DXY. Yes, my favorite DXY, because if you have watched my other videos, then you know it very well that I'm a big fan of DXY, because I personally believe that if you really want to make money in the Forex market, then you must be aware of the body language of the US dollar. You must know where are the important levels on the chart of DXY. So as per our expectation, DXY bounced from this particular support here and right now just trading in the middle. Yes, it is trading in the middle. Keep in mind, I have already talked this on my video on Euro, USD and Gold. Okay, so I'll try to keep this short. DXY has bounced from the support and right now just standing in the middle. This because this is the resistance, this is the support, but here in this particular portion of the market we do not know, we do not have any strong idea in which direction DXY will move. Do we have any strong news coming up, any event coming up? No, as of now, no. Okay, yes, on Friday NFP is about to come up, but right now we do not have any clarity about the direction of the market because it is just standing in the middle. If we go to the currency strength meter, this is US dollar, and you can see that currency strength meter is also not giving us any clue. DXY looks clueless. So US dollar, see, the US dollar is not giving us any sign here also, whereas GBP is kinda bullish. I won't say that very bullish like JPY, but yes, little bit bullish. Okay, but US dollar does not look good on the currency strike meter as well. So right now it means that the volatility is very less on US dollar. Maybe on the during the New York session, we may see some good moves in the market, but right now, no. Okay, and if you look at the Forex sentiment meter, you will find it on my website avilashajarika.com under the Forex 101 section. The Forex sentiment meter is telling us a different story. Here you can see that 79% are on the sell side and only 20% are on the buy side. So this is sentiment of the retail traders. So 79% retail traders have taken sell position and only 20% have taken buy position. And as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. Therefore, there is a good possibility of market going up because we have seen that market always move against the sentiment of the retail traders. Therefore, GBP USD, though standing at resistance, it has the possibility of going up. And if you look at the chart, okay, let me explain. If you look at the chart also, there is a good possibility of market breaking the resistance. Okay, try to understand my words here. Listen to me carefully. That's it. Okay. Resistance. What does resistance mean? Resistance means a place of sellers where the concentration of sellers are more. So sellers are sitting in this level. So whenever market goes up, faces resistance, it usually goes down. But if you see market not going down, market standing at a place of sellers but not going down, what does it signify? It means that buyers in the market are not ready to surrender. You can see that market has reached the resistance around 4 candles ago. So for more than 12 to 16 hours, market is standing at the resistance but still not ready to surrender. So it clearly signifies that buyers definitely want to take the market up. Try to understand the market psychology here. Try to understand the market emotion, the body language of the market here. The body language of the market is towards the upside only. And if we look at the trend of the market also, the trend of the market is also indicating the same thing. The trend is bullish right now. So I think that there is a possibility of market breaking the resistance and going up. If market fails also this time, if market fails also, then there is a good possibility of market going up again. Market will try again to break the resistance. Okay, let me take you to a weekly chart once. So this is the weekly chart, and you can see that previous 2 weeks market has formed two big green candles, and after that just see there is a strong price rejection from below. So there is a good possibility of market going up from here. So if so, what are the two trading opportunities we have on this chart right now? First of all, okay, first of all, if you have already taken a sell position, okay, if you have already taken a sell position at this level, then I'll say that do not exit from the market, because see, still there is a battle going on between the buyers and the sellers. They are still fighting. Okay, so there's still, yes, there is a possibility of market going down as well. Okay, so if you have taken a sell position, be on the trade. But if you see some fresh selling on the market after some time, okay, if you see some fresh selling on the market after some time, then you can take a sell position. But on the other hand, if you see market breaking the level of 1.1355, this resistance, if you see market breaking the level and going up, okay, do not be surprised, because everything is pointing towards an upside only. And around in the last year only, in the month of December, in the mid December, I clearly mentioned that there is a good possibility of GBP USD going up. When GBP USD was trading at 1.3200, I mentioned that there is a good possibility of a trend reversal and market going up, because there are many factors I don't want to discuss and bore you again. Anyways, anyways, if market breaks the resistance and starts going up, what you need to do is that, okay, just wait for 3 to 4 hours and just observe the market and see. Because see, breakout, if there is breakout, then there is also false breakout. Okay, to prevent your to protect yourself from the false breakout, the waiting period is essential. Okay, if you see that after 3 to 4 hours market is trading comfortably above this level, then you'll get the confirmation that, okay, okay, this is a good breakout, and the resistance has become the new support, and then you can take a buy. Okay, because this will not be the resistance again, this will be the new support. 1.3500 will be the new support for GBP USD. Till then you'll have to wait for some time, because waiting is the only solution in the market. Okay, so try to observe the market, and I'll say that keep your eyes on GBP USD, because a breakout may be coming up. In case it fails this time, then obviously it will try again, I think so. Let's wait and watch. And if you're new to the market, if you're a beginner, then if you don't know anything about technical analysis, then I have also uploaded a technical analysis playlist where I have around 33 videos. Watch that playlist, you will get a brief idea about how the market functions. Okay, so bye bye, take care, hopefully I've understood. See you tomorrow.